Hey everyone, in this video I'll show you how to stream Telegram videos without downloading using Telegram Player. Firstly, follow the standard process to copy the link to the video you want to stream. Download and install the Telegram Player app from your App Store or Google Play Store and launch the app on your smartphone. Tap on the plus icon and this will allow you to add a new video file. Into the URL file, paste the copied URL and name the file in the file name section to help you identify it later. Tap on save and this will save the list within the app. Find the file you just created in the list and tap on it to start streaming. And that's it, the Telegram Player will take a few seconds to buffer and then the video will start streaming. Thank you guys for watching. And please don't forget to like and subscribe for more.